Hey guys, what's up? This is my Porsche, and today I'm going to be making a upgrade, my first upgrade actually to the car, which is super easy. I'm not a car guy, so if it was really technical, I definitely wouldn't be doing this myself. But I'm just going to replace these side markers, which kind of stick out like a sore thumb, being bright orange. And you notice that I have like the smoked headlight here. So I got the matching smoked side markers, and I'm just going to replace it. These are the factory ones. And again, it's super easy to do. I'll leave a link in the description for where I got these from, a company called Renline, and super fast shipping and plug and play. So you just easily can replace the original ones. All right, so when you're taking off the original side marker, it has a clip that's basically holding it in, and you don't want to bend that clip. So what you need to do is, some videos will tell you to just pull it out from the back by where the tire is. And if you pull it out straight out, it will pop out, but you're going to bend that clip that I was talking about. So what you would rather do is pull it towards the tire a little bit and then pull it out from the front. So push it towards the tire and then pull it out from the front and it will pop out. And see, now I haven't bent that clip that's right there. So if you ever want to put these on, or I don't know, sell them or just have them as a backup, they will work and you won't have to re-bend that clip. So that's how you get it to pop out. All right, so this original one was just clipped in there. You just push down on the base of where the actual clip is and it just slides right out. And so there's your original one. Now, this one that I got from Renline, it has an extra wire in there that we don't need. So let's see if we can get this to focus. Okay. So it's got this extra wire in there that you don't need, but it essentially comes with this piece that you can just connect it in there so that it's not just freestanding by itself. And then this is the actual piece that you want to connect to your existing one. So you just slide it in there and it snaps into place just like that. So then with this piece, you're going to also probably want to feed it through. All right, so to pop it back in there, all you have to do is kind of the reverse order of what you originally did. And you just kind of push it back towards the wheel well, and it just pops right into place. Check the turn signal. There we go. And if you get them from Renline, they have kind of a specific way of illuminating that's different than the factory, which I think is really cool. And there we have it. Boom, baby. Leave any questions in the comments.